You asked about a table that shows 2 to the power of k for establishing number of classes in a frequency distribution, and that you looked out online and there was only a table that went to 2 to the power of 10 and you wanted more. I don't know why you would want any more than that, because having more than 10 or 10 classes would be just too much. But you can create your own. If you said k and then 2 to the power of k, then you can go 1, 2, 3, copy that down to, I don't know, maybe 30, and then put equal to the power of this number. I'm not fixing the cell reference, so when I copy that column down, here you have your n, essentially, that you want this number to be greater than your n, or your sample size. All right, you can then print this and keep it if you need a table like this. All right, thank you.